Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's video. I'm Sterling from Day Trading Forex Live. Let's take a quick look back at some trades we took this week. Overall, had a great week in the room. Managed about 15% gain overall for the week. Once again, it's based on 2% risk per trade, and usually about a 20 pip stop going into each trade. Anyways, looking at this, during the European and London session, the market had shifted from overall temporary short-term dollar strength, and the euro dollar continued to work up against that. So the dollar was turning weak. We're also seeing this in the pound during this session. As you can see here on the way up, this resistance area was quite strong, and even going back a few days, this was a pretty strong resistance area. So no doubt, as we worked above it, as we come back to it, the market is going to be acting as support, and that did indeed prove to be. On this candle, however, this is where we went long, set a 20 pip stop where we had a great hammer formation here and took the long from there. So it's not just the fact of us coming back down to support. We're not just entering when we touch this support. We're waiting for the market to show itself, show its direction, a retracement against the move, a great reversal candle setting up, and then a break of its high. And that's what we got here. Now the market did work down a bit more, but the 20 pip stop survived by about 6-7 pips. We took plus 20 on this trade on the first half, and then on the second half, when the news really got rejected here during the London session on the following day, we closed it at 1.3655 for an overall profit of 45 pips on that last half. And when we did leave this trade, the stop was at break even. There was no risk to the initial capital going into this trade, just a risk to potential profit. Anyways, let's take a quick look at the pound dollar here and look at this trade from Thursday. Very, very similar situation, guys. This is a great setup. Had clearly defined resistance. The market showed its direction, had a retracement against that strong move into this area of previous resistance, now turned support, had a great reversal candle form, and when it broke its high, that's when we went long, got long from about 1.5010. Now in this one we took half off at plus 20, and as the trade continued to run, and this goes into the following day, did the same thing here. Now this is kind of a rare thing. We don't usually let trades run this long, but given the overall scope of the way things are moving longer term, we talked about this in the room, we wanted to hold things a bit longer. So what we did is we held this one with once again a break-even stop on the last half, and when we set a triple top here, closed as a nice reversal candle to go short, we closed the trade on a break of its low and got out at 1.5155 for a total profit of 145 pips on that last half. So another great entry. I hope you guys can take advantage of this video. If nothing else, look to really use support and resistance to your advantage. Let the market show itself. Let it pull back to support or resistance depending on the direction. Make sure it's closing as a good reversal candle, and then you're buying or selling on a break of the higher low. So it's a great strategy. It's a fundamentally sound strategy, and it works very well. Anyways, if you'd like to check out a free 10-day trial, you're more than welcome to go to Day Trading Forex Live. Love to see you in the room. We have a great group of people in the room. If you'd like to learn more of my strategies, feel free to go check out the 10-day trial. Either way, happy trading, and I'll talk to you all next time.